Hey, Bryan here from Cars in Tillsonburg.
Hi, Bryan.
With an update on our 67 Malibu project here. We got on the hoist. We've got the floor in. It's been a while since we give you an update, but what we've done is the floor's all in. Now we're blending, Zolt's blending where the panels were welded. There's some little imperfections that he's fixing up here. You know, an interesting note for you enthusiasts and non-enthusiasts too is the fact that you can tell this is a true Canadian car by the fact that it is body color on the firewall. The Canadian built cars were body color, where the American built cars were the black. Canadians, they primered it, as you can see here, primer. Blended it down here over the original EDP coating on the bottom. Then they painted it the body color, and the American cars were all the black EDP coating. So what we've done now is we're preparing the hole underneath of the car, all the repairs that we've done. We're just taking all the little imperfections, welds and dimples and stuff like that out, but maintain all the factory markings, all the factory stampings, dimples. Actually on this one, there's actually one of the original markings that they put on the firewall when it came down the assembly line to tell somebody on the line that it was an option or whatever, but there was different factory markings, and we're trying to maintain that and maybe redo that. So what will be happening next here is after Zolt's done preparing this, it'll be all primered, and then they're going to paint the whole bottom of the vehicle. We'll get ready to lower it on the frame, and the engine and tranny will be in the frame. And as you can tell, we have somebody in the background who's working on another car over here, and he's helping our cause. So. But what we'll be doing is moving forward from here, and next time you see this beauty, she'll be all painted, okay? So again, thanks for watching.